Listen.
Oh.
That's so cool.
It's like when you throw a rock off of a cliff edge.
Ooh, look at the crack. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Full? Completely full?
No. I can see it. It's like halfway.
You should hit this car. That's so cool.
Like a random person's car.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it in just a second.
And then there's some
Ready? And then.
My car's got a lot less on the trunk because I opened it today.
I like how you can probably use these as ice creamers. What? Oh, guys, look at this ice sheet. Yeah, this is prize money. Ready?
Yep. He comes bearing gifts. Do my car.
Your windshield wipers are frozen.
Whoa. Where does Ben's car end and where does the hill start?
Right there. We'll call it right there.
You're gonna jump in?
It didn't even. That didn't even break it. No.
I want to do that.
That's a good spot.
Oh no. It's actually kind of comfy.
It is.
Oh, but it's cold.
True.
Your turn, Dad? Your turn?
My hood even covered.
Yep. You're set. You can just go to bed there.
Cold.
The problem is you getting out your hands.
And it gets like, or for me, it got like on my back.
I have a lot of layers on.
Oh, I don't. My shirt comes up with my coat.
I have my sweatshirt, a shirt, and this coat on.
Ooh, the lights are doing crazy stuff.
Whoa.
I've never seen that before.
That's interesting.
That's. Is there something on the lens?
I don't know. It looks like you have...
No, but when you did turn it this way, it didn't do that.
Looks like a whole bunch of spider webs. Oh my god, no.
There must have been something on the lens.
Really?
It was a really cool effect though.
Yeah.